I'm just going to show you another example of a fake email scam kind of thing. And it's from, supposedly from Geek Squad. And it's telling me that something is going to auto renew for $480, which is the first clue that something's wrong, because I would have expected it to be in pounds. And then when I check the address of the sender, Dwayne Jeffrey Wong, and then so it says it's just a Gmail address, and there's nothing about Geek Squad in that address. If it was an official email from Geek Squad, then you would assume it would have Geek Squad in the sender's email address somewhere. So that's not happening. It's talking about a fictitious thing that I've never bought. That's another thing. And so, not really convinced because I don't know anything about the Geek Squad, really. So, obviously, the first thing to do is go up to Google and search for Geek Squad scam email, and then see what happens. And it basically, you can see from all the hits from Google that it's been mentioned a fair bit. So it's obviously a thing, and I can just safely ignore the email. Don't know which are saying, but yeah, this is very similar. So it just tries to scare you into thinking $400, $500 is going to go from your account. So it gives you a number to ring, and that will be the scammer who will try and take payment details or whatever it is, but you basically don't want to ring the number at all, because they'll just try and convince you that something is wrong and to give them the information. So just be aware of it. So yeah, that's the Geek Squad potential scam there. So watch out for things like this. They're very common. My email address is a Gmail, and they're usually really good at filtering off the spam and the scams. But this one got through, and it's likely because the email address sounds like a person's name rather than something else that could be picked up as fake or a scam. So there you go. Take care.